Hey everybody, Cole here with Classic Mini DIY, and it is finally time for the International Mini Meet 60 video. This video is a culmination of a lot of different people's footage. Basically, every mini YouTuber that I was with over the weekend took video and helped contribute to this video. I will put little credits for each person's clips on each section of the video. I got there and I just kind of got wrapped up in the whole event, and I didn't really film that much. So thank you so much to everybody who contributed their footage. I pretty much wouldn't have a video if I didn't have that help from you guys. Also, I want to say a huge thank you to three guys, Alex Toon, Alex Hart, and William Murfitt. You guys helped make this trip the most incredible trip for my dad and I. Thank you so much. Alex Toon especially, thank you so much for loaning me your car, for trusting that with me, and hopefully you didn't see any sort of damage or anything in there. I took really good care of it, and I cannot wait for you to come and visit me here in the US, and we can hit the North Carolina mountains, and maybe at that point I'll have a second Mini, and we can toss some hand controls on there and we can go rip in the mountains. Also, Alex Hart with Alex Toon, you guys really retrofitted that Mini with some American pizzazz. You'll see it a little bit in this video, but if you haven't seen that yet, go check out Alex Toon's video on that. He goes into all sorts of detail about all the crazy shit he did to his Mini to make it American for me, so I didn't feel homesick. And then finally, William Murfitt, thank you so much for hanging out with me on the trip, walking around, and just really making me feel at home while we were at the event. It was great meeting you guys, and obviously it was wonderful meeting everybody else in this group. The cool thing about the Mini community, and even more specifically the group of Mini YouTubers that I was with, everybody there was just awesome. Everybody was good, everybody was just at their core an awesome person, and from my perspective, I feel like I've made friends for life. No matter what distance we live apart from each other, knowing that over in the UK, I've always got a set of wonderful friends, and I cannot wait until we see each other again. Hopefully it is sooner rather than later. But with all that mushy stuff out of the way, I hope you guys enjoy the video. We're gonna jump into right when I'm leaving for the trip and a little bit of footage from that, as well as the drive to International Mini Meet. So, enjoy. Alright, so we are in Manchester. We've picked up the car. Hopefully you guys saw some footage of that. It was a swirl. We got some flights delayed and it ended up being kind of a little bit hectic, but we got here in the end. We only ended up being like 4 hours late, is that right?
Something like that.
Yeah, but we got here. So it's the morning of the drive to IMM. We're packed up, waiting for Alex Hart to get here, then we're gonna go pick up the cars. Hopefully you guys are going to enjoy the footage coming up. I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking. I'm just going to kind of show you guys the drive and see what IMM is like. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
Me too.
Got a little coffee in me and we'll be on the road.
Yep, that's the important part. We always need some coffee. But see you guys later.
Hang on.
Anything for your cupcake? Anything for your cupcake?
Cole, is that petrol or gas?
It's gas.
Good man.
No, it's not.
It's petrol, isn't it? Tooney, are you making Cole pay for the gas as well?
Oh yeah.
Compared to UK prices. Send nudes. Hashtag send nudes.
Now that was some pretty cool footage of the trip and the drive up. As you guys saw, lots of footage contributed from lots of folks that we met up with and in the group with us. The next thing is the actual event itself. I tossed together some funny clips, some fun stuff that we saw, some really neat minis, as well as just some random stuff. And then we wrap it up with the YouTube meet and greet that happened on the Sunday. All of our cars were laid out, and you guys will see that right towards the end of this next part. So, hope you enjoy.
Land of the free, home of the brave. Trump is our ruler.
Supreme.
Chief and commander.
Ruler supreme.
What a guy.
Just top man. And feet are too big.
Your feet are clean, aren't they?
I tried my best. You want me to take my shoes off? I want to take my shoes off.
Why?
Because it's so much easier for me to drive.
Just drive the fastest car.
Yeah? What about you, Dad?
Oh, it's really special. I just love the rain.
Really special. Yeah, it's a little wet out here. Oh! Hey! What? What's that? Is that the sun?
I don't know. I like it. How's your meat?
Big.
Hey guys, William over here.
Minis. I'm getting pushed right now. Decided to overheat on the way into IMM on the last day, so we're going in. Thanks, Dad.
All right, so that is my international mini-meet. Obviously, there's a lot more that happened over the trip. This is my favorite clips out of the stuff that was contributed to me. And sorry, in retrospect, I would have loved to film a lot more, but I was just having such a good time with everybody, I just forgot. So what I'm gonna leave you guys with are a few little bloopers at the end. We had a fun drinking contraption that Kevin Richardson put together for us where we had to kind of balance and keep drinking and not spill it all over ourselves. I hope you guys enjoy it. A few different people tried it out, including myself. And then as far as this video goes, that'll wrap it up. And I will see you guys on the next episode of Classic Mini DIY. But until then, enjoy those minis and motor on.
Do it for America! America! Oh! He's an expert. He's done this before.
He's done this before.
Oh, come on.
Oh, come on.
You got it.
Come
You
on.
can put some soda in it.
You can put soft drink in it.
He's ready to receive. Look at his mouth.
Bring both hands up.
There you go.
Oh yeah, we're getting it. We're getting it.
Absolutely legendary.
Almost missed Barry on the steady run.
Oh.